The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a masterpiece of technology, but let's be honest, it's also a big investment that needs serious protection. And when it comes to safeguarding that advanced triple-lens camera, not just any case will do. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 7 cases with camera cover for 2025, combining style, durability, and smart features to keep your phone and its lenses safe from scratches, drops, and prying eyes. Whether you want sleek minimalism, rugged military-grade protection, on number 1 is Berfy RFID for Z Fold 7 case in grey is designed for users seeking a balance of rugged protection, privacy, and functional versatility, making it ideal for safeguarding Samsung's premium foldable in daily life. Built with a dual-layer military-grade hard PC and TPU hybrid construction, it delivers solid shock and drop resistance, while raised bezels add extra screen and camera protection. Its integrated, anti-spy, privacy screen protector is a standout feature, effectively limiting side-view visibility without noticeably impacting touch responsiveness, useful for business users or commuters concerned about prying eyes. The hidden kickstand folds flush into the back, offering stable horizontal and vertical viewing angles for media, video calls, or multitasking, without adding excessive bulk. The sliding camera cover is well engineered, moving smoothly to protect the lenses when not in use and doubling as a privacy safeguard. Additionally, the case features hinge protection with auto-rebound technology, ensuring the fold's most vulnerable moving part stays secure against dust, scratches, and impact. In real-world use, the case feels solid in hand, aided by an anti-slip coating for better grip, and it fits snugly without interfering with wireless charging or daily operation. Compared to the Subcase UB Pro, another popular rugged Z Fold 7 case, the Berfy RFID trades a bit of raw bulk protection for extra privacy features, a sleeker profile, and a more refined hinge protector, though the Subcase may have a slight edge in drop survivability due to its thicker frame. Price-wise, the Berfy RFID offers good value for money considering it combines for premium features, privacy screen, kickstand, camera cover, and hinge protection into one package, something many competitors offer separately. While it is thicker than ultra-thin minimalist cases like Thinborn's aramid fiber option, the trade-off is comprehensive coverage and added functionality. Overall, this case is best suited for professionals, travelers, students, or anyone who frequently uses their fold in public and values both privacy and device safety. It's a smart buy for those who want full body protection without losing convenience, and I would recommend it to anyone willing to accept a slightly bulkier design in exchange for enhanced privacy and multifunctional protection. Pros: integrated privacy screen protector for enhanced confidentiality in public. Full hinge protection with auto-rebound mechanism. Hidden kickstand and sliding camera cover for added functionality and security. Durable military-grade shockproof construction. Cons: slightly thicker than minimalist cases. Moving parts, kickstand, slider, may wear over time. Higher price point than basic. On number 2 is SIXBOX Galaxy Z Fold 7 wallet-style case is designed for individuals who want to consolidate essentials into one rugged accessory, combining full body protection with everyday convenience. Crafted from polycarbonate, it delivers robust hinge defense via a semi-automatic hinge guard that shields the phone's most vulnerable area while accommodating smooth folds, and includes a built-in HD screen protector with oleophobic coating to minimize fingerprints and screen smudges, eliminating the need for separate screen film, and a sliding camera cover to guard the lens from scratches and add an element of privacy, all enhanced with a raised bezel for added defense. A practical card slot holds 1 to 2 cards securely with a clasp-style mechanism, offering wallet functionality without excess bulk, although it sacrifices wireless charging capability. In real-use scenarios, this case streamlines daily carry, ideal for brief snags, everyday wear, and quick errands, keeping your essentials together while safeguarding the Fold 7's expensive folding screen and hinge. The materials feel sturdy and grip-friendly, and installation is straightforward, though it noticeably adds thickness compared to minimalist alternatives. Against a competitor like the Temden magnetic case, which offers hinge coverage and a kickstand at a lower cost but lacks wallet features and camera cover, the SIXBOX wins on multifunctionality and lens protection, though Temden may feel lighter and more compact. When compared to ultra-thin options like the Thinborn aramid fiber case, this wallet design obviously trades slimness for practicality and storage. For users who prize utility, everyday protection, and consolidation of phone, cards, and protection into one rugged package. Especially commuters and minimalists looking to travel light, the SIXBOX wallet case delivers solid value considering its array of built-in protective and organizational features. I'd recommend it to anyone who favors in-case convenience, durability, and all-in-one functionality, provided they're okay with the additional thickness that comes along. Pros: combines wallet, card holder, functionality with full-body rugged protection. Built-in screen protector with oleophobic coating offers clarity and convenience. Hinge guard and sliding camera cover deliver strong protection from wear and scratches. Cons: adds noticeable bulk compared to slim or minimalist cases. Does not support wireless charging due to its wallet design and materials. Holds only 1 to 2 cards, may not suit users wanting to store more. On number 3 is Tongate for Z Fold 7 case. T-Black is crafted for users who demand rugged all-around defense paired with practical features for everyday readiness. It combines a high-strength anti-spy privacy screen protector and sliding camera cover for dual front and back visual protection. A reinforced polycarbonate shell with TPU bumpers delivering 360 degrees military-grade drop resistance with beveled corners dispersing 99% of impact energy. Full hinge coverage that guards the folding mechanism without impeding its movement, and a built-in hidden kickstand that doubles as a ring stand for hands-free use across both half-screen and full-screen modes, all while remaining slim. The standout addition is a 360 degrees rotatable and removable belt clip, enabling secure, clip-on portability to belts or bags for active environments. In real life, this case offers a dependable grip, smooth integration with wireless and magnetic accessories, and a reassuring sense of durability, whether commuting, on outdoor excursions, or on the job. Its weight and bulk, however, are noticeably greater than minimalist designs. Against a competitor like the SPIGEN Slim Armor Pro, which delivers thinner profiles, basic hinge coverage, and affordability, the Tongate case outpaces it in privacy features, camera shielding, and carry convenience via the belt clip, albeit at a heftier price point. Considering these strengths, it offers excellent value for those prioritizing comprehensive protection, privacy, drop resilience, and mobility, though users toting their fold internally or seated mostly indoors may prefer lighter alternatives. Overall, this case targets adventurers, professionals in the field, travelers, or anyone with an on-the-move lifestyle, blending ruggedness and functionality in one package, well worth recommending to those who want full-body, feature-rich protection and don't mind its extra girth. Pros and cons. Pros: high-strength anti-spy screen and sliding camera cover for enhanced privacy and scratch resistance. 360 degrees military-grade drop protection with beveled corners and full hinge coverage. Hidden kickstand adaptable for half or full screen viewing. Rotatable and removable belt clip adds hands-free carrying convenience. Compatible with magnetic accessories and wireless charging. Cons: noticeably thicker and heavier than minimalist options like SPIGEN Slim Armor Pro. The bulkiness may feel cumbersome for users who prioritize slimness or pocket fit. Additional mechanical parts, belt clip, stand, could wear over extended use. On number 4 is Vihibii wallet case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, 2025, black, is engineered for users who demand multifunctional, heavy-duty protection in a single package, combining an integrated card holder, holding 1 to 2 cards or some cash securely, with a tested snap design to avoid loosening. With a sliding camera cover that locks firmly in place in just 1 second to safeguard the lens against scratches and accidental contact, it also sports a durable outer tempered glass screen protector. That's hydrophobic, highly responsive to touch, and resistant to daily wear like coins or keys. Meanwhile, its semi-automatic spring hinge design offers robust, full coverage protection for the vulnerable folding spine without impeding the fold's smooth open and close motion, all housed in a shock-absorbent polycarbonate build that delivers heavy-duty drop resistance while improving grip via its textured finish. In real-world use, this means confident daily handling, even in transit or outdoors, while conveniently carrying essentials and preserving device safety. Compared to minimalist options like SPIGEN Slim Armor Pro, which keeps a slim, MagSafe-friendly form but lacks wallet features and full hinge shielding, Vihibii offers extra coverage, storage, and lens protection at modest extra thickness and weight, a reasonable trade-off if functionality is your priority. Though bigger than thin aramid fiber cases, the Vihibii delivers all-in-one practicality that justifies the bulk for commuters, students, and professionals who prefer to consolidate their cards and phone while ensuring full-body protection. Overall, users who want robust device safety with built-in storage and lens hygiene will find this case highly useful. I'd recommend it for those seeking standout functionality and convenience in a rugged form, provided they're comfortable with added heft for those benefits. Pros: built-in card holder with secure snap closure for storing cards or cash. Sliding camera cover provides reliable lens protection and privacy. Hydrophobic tempered outer screen protector offers responsive touch and scratch resistance. Semi-automatic spring hinge design delivers full hinge coverage without hindering folding. Cons: thicker and heavier than minimalist or ultra-slim cases, impacting pocket fit. Added mechanisms, hinge cover, card slot, slide camera, may wear over extended use. Lacks MagSafe or on number 5 is Vizvera RFID wallet case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a thoughtfully engineered accessory tailored for users who juggle both functionality and protection, crafted with a matte polycarbonate, PC, hardback and a soft TPU bumper. It delivers comprehensive edge-to-edge defense, including raised screen borders and built-in shock-absorbing pads, while the textured edges and grip lines minimize accidental slips, making daily handling more secure. Its standout features include an RFID-capable card holder that neatly stores multiple cards while shielding contactless data, and a sliding camera cover employing smooth ball-bearing sliders to shield the lens from dust and maintain privacy over time. The integrated kickstand unfolds to offer stable horizontal viewing, useful for watching media or hands-free tasks, complementing its functional design, and a fully automatic hinge cover ensures durability of the foldable spine without obstructing flexibility. In real-world usage, this case feels robust and tactile in hand, confidently protecting the device during daily routines like commuting or casual desk use, while conveniently consolidating phone, wallet, and stand functions into one piece. Compared to sleek, minimalist options, such as Thinborn's ultra-thin aramid fiber cases, Vizvera adds noticeable bulk but repays it with multi-tool utility, hinge security, and enhanced grip. Also, versus simpler kickstand cases like the Temden Magnetic, Vizvera justifies its extra heft with RFID protection, camera safeguarding, and a fuller hinge cover. Given the Fold 7's premium price tag and its delicate foldable design, the Vizvera offers excellent value by merging defensive build and convenience features into a single rugged case. Overall, it's ideal for professionals, commuters, or multitaskers who value practical consolidation and durable coverage, and I'd recommend it to anyone comfortable adding some thickness in exchange for wallet functionality, screen and lens protection, and reliable hinge safeguarding. Pros: robust dual-layer protection with textured grip, raised edges, and shock-absorbing pads. RFID-enabled card holder consolidates wallet and phone with data security. Sliding camera cover protects lens from scratches and enhances privacy. Integrated kickstand for hands-free media or video calls. Automatic hinge cover preserves the fold mechanism while enhancing durability. Cons: adds bulk compared to minimalist or ultra-thin case options. Kickstand and sliding cover mechanisms may experience wear over time. May not support. On number 6 is VEGO Galaxy Z Fold 7 case in green is engineered to deliver comprehensive 360 degrees protection while introducing practical functionality, catering to users who demand durability, security, and convenience in one package. Its built-in H9 tempered glass privacy screen protector limits viewing angles to prevent prying eyes from peeking at your content while preserving touch sensitivity and clarity, ideal for commuters or privacy-conscious users. The case's hinge protection is robust, employing a non-slip, textured design with integrated shock-absorbing airbags that shield the fold's vulnerable spine from shocks and enhance grip. A slide camera cover with slight lock ensures the lens stays guarded against scratches and accidental slide movements. Its 360 degrees rugged rotate stand, a metal ring, delivers multi-angle hands-free viewing for media or video calls, folding discreetly into the case when not in use. Real-world usage showcases its solidity and grip, especially helpful during commutes or desk work, though it does add noticeable bulk and lacks wireless charging compatibility. Compared to minimalist options such as the Thinborn aramid fiber case, VEGO trades sleekness for all-around protection and utility, while MagSafe-enabled cases like Spigen Slim Armor Pro offer thinner profiles and accessory support. VEGO surpasses them in hinge shielding, privacy features, and full-body defense. Given the premium price of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, this case presents excellent value by consolidating screen, hinge, camera, and stand functions into one rugged build. In summary, This case is ideal for users, commuters, travelers, or professionals seeking fortified protection and privacy without needing to juggle separate accessories. I'd recommend it for those who prefer substance and security over sleek minimalism and are comfortable with a bit more bulk for better protection. Pros: built-in privacy screen protector keeps content secure while maintaining clarity and touch responsiveness. Robust hinge protection with textured, shock-absorbing design enhances durability and grip. Sliding camera cover protects lenses from scratches and unwanted exposure. 360 degrees rotating ring stand offers versatile, multi-angle hands-free use. Cons: adds noticeable bulk and thickness compared to ultra-slim cases like Thinborn's aramid fiber variant. Lacks support for wireless charging or magnetic accessories, e.g., MagSafe, in contrast to streamlined competitors like Spigen. Additional mechanisms, stand, slider, may wear. On number 7, CENMASO Lake Blue case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is designed for users seeking a multifunctional, slim yet rugged solution that blends protection with everyday conveniences. Crafted from a hybrid of hard polycarbonate and shock-absorbing TPU, it delivers robust yet lightweight protection while keeping a clean aesthetic, as shown in the image. A key highlight is its RFID blocking card holder, which securely accommodates several cards and safeguards them from unauthorized scanning, leveraging upgraded shielding materials. The slide camera cover offers dependable, smooth protection for the lenses, helping prevent scratches and maintain privacy, while the built-in screen protector ensures edge-to-edge clarity and responsive touch interaction. Additionally, the hidden kickstand folds out for stable hands-free media viewing, and the full hinge protection helps guard the Fold 7's moving mechanism without compromising flexibility or increasing bulk significantly. In real-life scenarios such as daily commuting, workplace use, or casual drops, the case instills confidence by consolidating essential functions: wallet, screen safety, lens defense, viewing stand, and hinge durability into a sleek form styled in an attractive lake blue finish. Compared to minimalist options like Thinborn's ultra-thin aramid fiber case, which excels in preserving slimness but lacks added functionality or hinge shielding, the CENMASO trades modest thickness for far greater utility. Against more basic protective models like the Temden magnetic case, which provides kickstand and hinge coverage at a lower cost, the CENMASO justifies its price by offering RFID protection and lens privacy features in addition to screen and hinge protection. Given the substantial value of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, this case offers excellent peace of mind without unnecessary bulk. Overall, it's best suited for professionals, commuters, or multitaskers who want to carry fewer accessories while still keeping their phone safe and functional, and I'd recommend it for those who prefer consolidated features in a stylish, practical package. Pros: slim dual-layer build offering shock-proof, lightweight protection. RFID blocking card holder adds secure wallet functionality. Slide camera cover for lens protection and privacy. Built-in screen protector preserves touch sensitivity and clarity. Hidden kickstand enhances media viewing convenience without bulk. Comprehensive hinge protection guards fold mechanism effectively. Cons: slightly thicker than ultra-minimalist cases, impacting pocket fitting. Additional features: kickstand, slider, may be prone to wear over time. May lack MagSafe or magnetic accessory compatibility found in some competitors.